mababalikan lang. Okay, there's a weigh station here, mandatory for trucks, that magpapaweigh sila. Pag lumampas ng 15 tons, you will be asked to turn around. So we're doing this as a dry run, while the engineers are under the bridge inspecting now this bridge habang tumatakbo ng technology. So nagpapasalamat ako to the men and women that work very hard to make sure na maayos yung tulay, to our director ng DPWH, Director Tabaco, as well as Secretary Vince and the President for making this really a priority, because malaking tulong ito sa ekonomiya, hindi lang ng Tacloban City, hindi lang Eastern Visayas, pero lahat hanggang Mindanao, hanggang Luzon, kasi ito talagang main thoroughfare na dinadaanan. Lalo na yung mga pasahero, hindi na mahirapan. Ang 15 tons will accommodate a bus kahit puno ng pasahero. Okay, so hindi rin na ito magbabagtas. So wala na problema. So this is very good. So, but we're still observing, because as I said, it is a dry run. So they're still observing, but it doesn't mean also na we will stop there. The target is 35 to 33 tons. So we're now 15, so tuloy-tuloy pa yung pag-repair. But they're doing this now because I want to make sure, and they want to make sure na tama talaga yung trabaho nila. Okay, so this is what is happening now. So papasalamat naman ako na so far it looks good. Now, I caution lahat ng dumadaan dito, talagang we will strictly enforce weighing of the vehicle, lalo ng mga trucks, at magkakaroon din tayo ng speed limit dito, not over 25 or 30 kilometers per hour. Because habang bumibilis yung sasakyan, magbabibrate. You know, that is also for the safety of all those who are traversing this bridge para safety lang.
Mayor, ano pong magiging epekto dito sa economy ng Eastern Visayas nito?
Malaking epekto ito, lalo na sa mga small scale businesses that thrive really on ito. Lalo na pag-supply ng mga goods going to the island of Samar. But most of all really, even goods that are being transported to Luzon and vice versa to Mindanao using this bridge. Malaking effect.
Kumpirmado na po ba na pupunta dito ang ating isa na sa BBM?
Well, alam mo, busy siya kasi hindi lang ito i-inspectionin niya. Pero from what I know, talagang he is very strict now. Pag-inspeksyon ng project kung talagang tamang gawa at on time. At ang ombudsman naman at COA ang nag-inspection kung tama naman yung presyo. Diba? So this is really a combined effort. So we're asking now the private sector to cooperate and help us